Hey guys, it's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through a jazz progression called the 6-step. There's two different versions. We will go through both of them, and it's a great way to practice your pirouettes. I'm going to show you a quick preview and then we'll get right into it. Alright guys, to begin this one, we're going to cross first. We're going to cross 1. You're going to step out on 2. You're going to step again on 3. You're going to cross it on 4. You're going to step out on 5. You're going to prep for that pirouette on 6. So then we can pirouette right out of it 7, 8, or however many pirouettes you can do. So with no arms, this is just the footwork. You're going to cross 1. Open 2, step 3, cross 4, open 5, your prep is on 6, turn 7, 8. All right, let's try that just a little bit faster. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And now with the arms, we're going to cross. When we cross our foot, we're going to cross our arms. 1, we're going to open it up. 2. We're going to step 3, we're going to cross again on 4. We're going to open just like a prep, 5, 6, right into those pirouettes, 7, 8. So let's see what this looks like all together with those arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And facing the back, once again, you're going to cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your turn 7, 8. And I'll show you faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now the other version of the 6-step has the same exact footwork. We're just pivoting behind us. So we're going to step 1. We're going to open it on 2. Step on 3. Now this is where it gets different. So instead of crossing in front, you're going to cross behind yourself on 4 and pivot all the way around into that prep 5, 6, into your pirouettes 7, 8. So once again, cross 1, open 2, step 3, step behind yourself on 4, 5, prep 6, into those pirouettes 7, 8. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slow, facing the back. 1, 2, 3. Step behind 4, prep 5, 6, right into those pirouettes, 7, 8. All right, and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning the 6-step progression with me. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.